Good morning, guys. Welcome to Trade Confident. I'm going to show you guys how our traders took a 21.53. It was actually 5.3, very close to where this is. Profit on Matic over here. I'll also show you guys how to trade with us. We are currently 61 for 61 wins on this channel. We have not lost a trade yet. There's video testimonials of all of these on the actual on YouTube. Trade Confident. Okay. I'm running a Telegram channel over here. I'll show you guys the profits over here. This was a 21.53% profit that was called out over here. This was on October 15th. So I just want to say congratulations, guys. I'll update you about this, but we did a lot of other winning trades in here. On Friday, DOT went to 21.61%, and then we did another Matic here of 17.88. I'll cover that in this video. And then DOT, guys, for all of our traders, got up to 25.18% profit. I will try to cover DOT tomorrow. Okay. You guys are like, man, how do I get in here and trade with you? I'll show you exactly how to do that on the second half of this video. I want to give the analysis correct in here for all of you guys who've been watching me for a while, and then I'll get over there. So I promise I'll show you everything, how to get in the Telegram channel, how to set up the long trades, how to trade with me so you don't miss the next one. Okay. Let's go over Matic. The entry here for the buy limit was October 10th down here at $1.25. We did not FOMO into these areas up here. We simply were very patient. We saw the trend exhaustion at the top here. We saw the well money flow at the top. This is why you need the indicators on here. This was predicted to move back down. We said, nope, we're not going to buy in. We're going to be patient for the drop back down. That's what we did. We ended up getting picked up and it started moving back up here. Okay. Watch again. Why do I have the trend exhaustion? Why do you guys need these indicators? Because these are calling the tops in the market. We saw a very fast pump move up here, and on the 15th, I called a market exit of 50% up here, and that was the 25.53%. It's not 5.6. I believe it was 5.3. Let me just verify it in here one more time because I just showed it to you guys. This is the market exit here of 21.53%, okay? Once that happened, that same day we started shooting up here. I said, okay, guys, we need to move our stop loss in here because we could start moving back down pretty quickly. We ended up crashing down here and started moving back up, but that was an exit over here for the second 50% of this trade down here at right around that 17.91% profit here. So an incredible long trade you guys all won on here. Now, really quickly, you guys are like, okay, awesome. What's the next trade setup? I'll show that to you guys because right now this trade is done, completely done. The next buy limit is sitting down here somewhere around this area. It'll update, and I'll show you how to get there in a second. What I want to go over is the metrics right now to kind of give us a prediction of where we think, Matic could go here this week. So if we're taking a look at the emotional index right now, I'm going to go back over the indicators down here because this is going to be very important that you guys can watch something on the chart here. It's why you guys need them on your charts. The indicators are in the description. You guys can snag them whenever you want through this video. So the emotional index is pushed up still into the greedy section where I do think we could still be seeing a move back down in Matic here. And then we are actually seeing that move back down. Double top formation, just like we're seeing on Bitcoin moving back down. Taking a look at the long versus short trade risk, this showed us that over the weekend here, the greatest amount of favor was in short trades. The risk was on long trades. So what did we do? We already got into our long trade down here. We ended up buying and then we sold up here because I don't take short trades on this channel. So while all the retail traders are in here and they're getting very, very anxious, guys, and even fearful in the market where we start seeing this push down to the lower sections, what we're doing is buying. If you come down here and look at the well and the institutional smart money, they were buying as well down here. Long trades were increasing over here as we started moving down. Do you guys see that dip right before we see the shot back up? Clearly, watch this, okay? You see that? Come back over here. This is the dip that we're talking about right here. Everybody is selling into this. Why? Because the price is moving down. What are we doing? We're buying all of the fear and the anxiety in the market because people are selling. When everyone's selling like this is times to be buying. This is really emotional trading. The difference between winning all these trades and not is watching what the emotional traders are doing where price structure is going down. They're like, oh my goodness, we bought it. Well, first of all, this is not derogatory, but the dumb money is literally buying into the pumps because they always think we're going to go to the moon, and it's not true. What's happening here is when that happens and news articles get pushed out into the market, what we are doing, and I'm trying to prove this to you guys, is we are not entering trades over here. Like, we're literally exiting trades over here when in this market cycle. We've won 14 trades in a row just with this one move up here. What's happening is that all the retail traders are getting very anxious because they're seeing their moves back down. They bought in up here, they're down 5-10%, and they're like, oh my gosh, I just need to sell because their thought is they're just going to buy in lower. No, you guys need to stay patient. That's why professional traders Patience makes us wealthy. That is literally like my saying. Patience makes us wealthy. Patience equals profit. Patience on moves back down are how we end up getting into these moves, and we're doing really well. Okay, coming down here, we look at the well and institutional smart money. This is one of the greatest bars we've ever seen in here for short trade accumulation for wells and institutions. What happened? Right up here when this ridiculous amount of buying pressure got into the market, they ended up shorting. They made their money on the move back down. What did we do? We didn't short, but we were definitely with the wells and institutions, and we sold out of our trade here, so we didn't end up basically getting caught on the wrong side of the market, and it just kept going down and going down. This has a great potential to keep moving down here, and I'll show that to you guys in a second here with these two indicators. But we want to make sure we're setting up our buy limits for the next trade, and I'll show that to you guys as well. Just give me a second here. Support resistance prices. Where could we be heading in the market? Well, looking down here, this is the next greatest structure support, which is at $1.43. So let's take a look at $1.43. Down here, we've already hit this. So we see the structure here. We've already hit that. Okay, great. We need to move back down. Where's the next structure? Right down here, $1.35. This is so simple. $1.35, guys, puts us right around here. Do I think we could head down here by the end of the week? Yeah, like I think we could actually, I think we could hit here by Wednesday. I think by Wednesday, we could actually come down here and hit about $1.35 in the market. That's going to be very good for us because it will trigger our next buy limit, and you guys will be able to get into this trade and ride it back up. Again, follow me. I'll show you how to get into that. This was a ridiculously good signal in here, guys, for everyone taking the dollar cost average entries. You guys are doing so well. Like the testimonials that came out here were just ridiculous on this last week. Like this was awesome. This guy's like, hey, thanks for making me $1,100 profit as you predicted. Hey, by the way, I'm 4 for 4 trades and I've made $1,700 in 8 days. This guy's like 22% on ADA, 39% on Doge, 29% on VeChain, like crazy amounts of money. $8,000 here, $14,000 this trader made with our metrics and indicators in 5 hours. It's insane what you guys are doing. I like pumping you guys up about that a little bit. We have so many traders trading for a living on here. It's crazy. So looking at this is dollar cost average entries for those who are diamond hands or those who want to hodl, HODL in the market. So let's say you have $10,000 and every single time you get a green line here, at your discretion, this is not financial advice. I am not licensed in my jurisdiction, entertainment purposes only. You guys can throw in money in here if you would like, if you choose, okay? Every single person that put money in here throughout the channel history, you guys are all in the profit here. So great job. If this thing just keeps going up, you guys got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 positions in the market, literally at the lowest prices before we started seeing moves back up in the market here. It's just incredible. So great job for all of you who are using that metric. Exit points in here, showing us that this red accumulation in here is like, watch out, guys. What should you not be doing when the red bar comes out? You should not be FOMOing in and buying. Look at how many people bought this right here just to literally get their trades completely taken away from them, and they're in the loss right now. All these people who bought anywhere, like look, here's current price. Anybody who bought above this right now is currently in a loss. A lot of people ended up FOMOing in here because they thought, oh my gosh, quote unquote, we're going to the moon. Like, please remove "you're going to the moon" from your vocabulary. Like, please do it. I'm only saying it to address it so that we remove it from our vocabulary, guys. It is like so manipulative that everyone's programmed, we're going to go to the moon, we're going to go to the moon. Okay, if we do ever go to the moon, which, by the way, what is going to the moon? It's just a high price. Well, what's the target? Everyone has predictions. It's so manipulative. What we need to be doing here to actually, at the end of the day, accomplish what we're trading for, which is actually making money, instead of just being, hyped up with emotions of, oh, we're going to the moon. We need to understand how to trade in here. When people are getting very excited and they have that feeling of the moon boys are taking over, we are not buying. I'm proving it to you guys. We are not buying. We are going to wait, and we're going to watch our indicators in here that are telling us the fake out moves that we're due for a move back down. Looking at this, the well money flow was at a top peak over here. The trend exhaustion was at a top peak. We didn't buy. This called the drop in here perfectly. So let's move down here. We finished this up here with the metrics. I'll show you guys how to get into this trade, but watch this with these indicators. As we start moving down here with the well money flow, because this definitely can head down further, the trend exhaustion obviously can head down further into this section. If we start seeing that move back down for these indicators, I do believe we'll hit somewhere around this structure support right here, right around these areas like that 35 that I told you guys about. This is very close to our buy limit where I think we can get back in and ride this back up. So here's exactly how you trade with us and get in here and start taking these trades. The membership is $49 a month. Yes, it's super cheap. You'll not find another one this cheap with this much winning trades in here. I truly believe that. I'm not trying to be arrogant. I just really believe that's true online here. Look at the profits. Have fun. It's ridiculous what people are doing in here. Just insane. $33,000 took his account to $40,000. Insane. This guy made $1,000 while he slept. That was just awesome. So once you guys have your membership, it gives you access to all the metrics, which you guys, this is what I use every single day on the videos to show you guys what smart money's doing, what emotional index is doing. Keeps you guys safe. Don't watch news articles, watch the metrics. I promise you, you'll be better off at the end. Once you have your membership, this is where you guys really want to be focusing on, is the buy limits. Here's all of our trade setups. You guys can get into Bitcoin, Ethereum, Doge, Cardano, any of these that you guys want, all the ones that I'm covering. Here's how you do this morning. I'm going to use Bitcoin for an example, but this works on all of our cryptos. You are going to get 4 yellow lines below the current price this morning. 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. This is all going to update in 15, 16, 17, 18 minutes. This is going to update because it's 7:42 right now. What we're going to do is we're going to be patient, okay? Like we always are. Do your buy limits ever get hit, Travis, because you don't get in at market orders? Yes, 61 of them have gotten hit since March. And we've won all of them. Yes, the price does move back down. I'm joking a little bit, but I get emails like, Travis, your buy limit's so low, you're never going to get hit. I'm like, well, then how did we win 61 trades this year so far? Like, I don't even think you guys have personally taken 61 trades this year so far. So watch this. As the price moves back down here, what we're looking for is simply for the first buy limit to get hit. If you have $1,000, simply split this into 25% increments. Not financial advice, entertainment purposes only. Must make that clear, okay? $1,000, $250 at this price, $250 here, $250 here, $250 here. So simple. Once your first buy limit is hit, you're going to simply set your sell limit at the yellow line up here. Once you guys do that, come down here, join the Telegram group, click this. It's going to give you a hot link, and you guys can join me in the Telegram group where I am over here giving you guys market updates. All right? You also get the indicators because these are going up in price. You guys have 13 days left and the price first while money flow is going to go up. The trend exhaustion is going to be going up. These other indicators are going up. The bundle pack is not going to be going up this month. This is absolutely the best deal you guys can possibly get on any indicators. Again, I've said this many times. I've coded indicators for TradingView.com customers for a living. 2 years ago, I've coded all of the best things I know into these 5 indicators here, and you actually get 4 more, so there's a total of 9 that you guys get. For Forex, crypto, stocks, you can use them on anything. They are incredible. These indicators, I highly suggest at minimum, get the trend exhaustion, the price versus the one money flow, and the trend dashboard. That is how we are basically calling moves over here in the market. You guys can see right now, and I'm in this video right after this, we see what retail traders are doing with the trend exhaustion. Most of this, their indicators, the RSI, the stochastic, and their moving averages are bullish. This is simply showing us if they're bullish or bearish. When they're bullish here, this is showing me a lot of retail traders are looking to buy because they want to trade with momentum, because they're above their moving averages. You hear this so many times being taught to retail traders. Here's the thing, guys. Yes, that can play out correctly, but when you're over here and all these indicators are showing, hey, we're up, we're going up, we're going up, we're going up, this is where you should be selling in the market, because this is where you're going to get on the wrong side. Retail traders are buying like crazy in this market right here. Watch this. Here, I'm just going to actually prove this to you guys. I don't do this a lot, and I like doing this. Watch this. We'll just prove this. Look at this metric up here. Here's the trend dashboard. Watch this. We're playing this out here, and what's going to happen? We start seeing the market move up here. Look at that. Every single one of the retail traders' indicators are all bullish. What am I doing, guys? I'm watching the trend dashboard to see exactly what the manipulation is going to happen with the retail traders. All of their indicators are bullish. What do we see down here? We are clearly seeing, if you guys understand how these indicators work, that the trend exhaustion is at the top red section. The well money flow is at the top. What do I always say when we are at the top here? This is not the time to be buying with retail traders. You should be selling out of the market. What do we do? Exactly at this price right here, we ended up selling out up here, and we for 50% and another 50%. We are trading opposite of retail traders. This is why I have this up here. I do not trade with this. I trade opposite of this, and this is why we're winning all these trades. So as we play this out here, look at this. They all got into the market, and they just get... Look, even a pump up and it starts dropping back down. I'm not saying this won't hold true all the time, but there's a lot of people who are using these indicators, a lot of retail traders, and usually gets you caught on the wrong side of the market. We trade against this, and this is how we've been doing very well, okay? I just want to point that out there so you guys can see that correlation. So God bless you guys so much. I'm going to get rid of this setup here because this is no longer active. I'm going to get ready for the next trade setup. Make sure you guys get into Matic down here. Again, the live trades over here. If we scroll down, should be at the bottom here. Click into Polygon right here. You're going to have your 4 buy limits. Set that up. I will be covering it on this channel. And I promise, guys, once that buy limit is hit, I will be updating it and covering it for you guys in the Telegram channel. I cover DOT, I cover Matic over here. I'm keeping you guys updated. I'm also covering XRP. Literally, every single coin you guys see on this channel over here, I'm covering in Telegram. So you guys will get literally like a personal coach, one-on-one in the Telegram channel of how to trade this, and watch the indicators over here. So make sure you guys are picking those up. God bless you guys. Have an amazing, amazing day. Get the indicators, get your membership, set this up. Let's see if we can go 70 for 70 winning trades this month, and I'll see see you guys on the next videos. Again, God bless you guys so much. Let's do this. Let's make some profit, and I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.